Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start chapter 12, Heron's Formula. This chapter is very important and interesting, and I hope you all will like it because this chapter is going to tell you how to find out area of a triangle when height is not given. Till now, we have studied that if base and height is given, then how to find out area of triangle. So just check out here. Here, area of triangle when base and height are given. Then we apply half base into height, right? So this is already done in class 7th and 8th. Now, second formula, which is the formula to find out area of an equilateral triangle. All of you must be knowing what is an equilateral triangle. A triangle with all three sides equal is called an equilateral triangle, right? So suppose if I draw here this as equilateral triangle, if this side is A, this will also be and this will also be A. Why? Because here it is an equilateral triangle. So in case of an equilateral triangle, how do we find out its area? The formula is under root 3 upon 4A square. And what is A here? A is the equal side of a equilateral triangle, right? So to find out area of equilateral triangle, we always apply under root 3 upon 4A square. And in this triangle, suppose if you are given height, then we can apply here half base into height also. Right, all of you? Now, the next which we have in this chapter is known as Heron's formula. And this formula is used when we are given all three sides in a triangle. And specifically, if the triangle is a scalene triangle. All of you know what is a scalene triangle? Scalene triangle is a triangle when no two sides are given equal. So we apply here one formula that is known as Heron's formula because it is invented by great mathematician Heron's. So it is named as Heron's formula only. So what is Heron's formula? Area of triangle by Heron's formula when no two sides are given equal. It is written as under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And children, you all know when we are talking about area, we are talking about the unit also. To find out area of any figure, we always use square units. So here we will write this and then add here or write here square unit. So area of anything or area of any figure is always calculated into square units. So you have to mention this square units, right? And here in this formula, I have used here S. What is S here? S stands for semi-perimeter. So what is semi-perimeter, beta? Semi-perimeter is always obtained by adding A, B and C. And what are A, B, C? A, B, C are the sides of a triangle. So when we add here A plus B plus C and divide it by 2, it gives you value for S. So S is semi-perimeter. Right? Now, I'm going to take one example so that it is clear to you that how to use this formula. Right? So all of you, I have taken here one example. Suppose the question is, find out the area of the triangle when the sides are given 8, 15 and 7 centimeters. Then how do we find out the area? Just check out. See here, all of you. We are given here 8, 15 and 17. So we will write here first side as A, second side as B and third side as C. Any of the side can be written as A, B or C. Now we will find out here S. S stands for semi-perimeter. Just now I have told you. So semi-perimeter means what? Half of the perimeter. So I will add up here all the sides. Why? Because perimeter of a figure is always equal to sum of the sides. So add here A plus B plus C. So here A plus B plus C upon 2 is the formula to find out semi-perimeter. So A is 8 plus B is 15 plus C is 17 divided by 2. So 8 plus 15 is 23. 23 plus 17 is 40 divided by 2. So 40 divided by 2 gives you 20 and then we will write here the unit centimeter. So S is obtained. Now we will substitute this value with ABC in the given formula, which is under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now look at your children. Here value for S we are getting 20 into S minus A. S minus A is 20 minus 8 into S minus B, which is 20 minus 15 into S minus C, which is 20 minus 17. So we will solve it now. Now when I solve it, we will write here this as 20. So it is 20 into 20 minus 8 is 12. So we will write here into 12 into 20 minus 15, we will write as 5 into 20 minus 17, it is 3. And then with this, we will write a square unit, or here we can write square centimeter because the unit is given as centimeter. All of you, is this much understood? Please say yes or no. Class, got it?
Yes.
Now, let's see. Under root 20, now you have here these numbers, so you don't have to solve these numbers. You will break up these numbers with respect to the small factor. So I can write here this 20 as 2 into 2 into 5. Why? Because 2 to the 4, 5 is 20. Now I have here this 12. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 because 2 to the 4 is 12. Then this 5 will be written as it is. Why? Because we cannot break up this, right? So we will write as 5 into 3. Now what we have to do, we will see here if there any number is repeated for 2 times. So look at here, this 2 and 2 is repeated for 2 times. So underline this. And then next, again check here, this 2 and 2 again repeated for 2 times. So we will underline this. And then look at here, this 3 and 3. Again, it is repeated for 2 times. So we can make a pair like this. And look at here, this 5 and 5. Again, there is a pair of 5 and 5. So children, what we have to do, we have to see here that 2 into 2, it's for 2 times. 5 into 5 again for 2 times. 2 into 2 again for 2 times. And then 3 into 3 is again for 2 times. So the factors which are there for 2 times, we will write them out of the root sign var for 1 time. So we will write here 2 into again this 2 into again this 3 into 5. Why? Because here this 2 pair will be written for 1 time. This 5 again for 1 time. This 3 again for 1 time. And this 2 again for 1 time. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So here we have got 60 square centimeter as area of the triangle. So in this way, we always apply Heron's formula. So all of you, if it is understood, please tell me. So this is very easy and interesting. So you simply have to learn under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c as area of a triangle where no two sides are given equal. Thank you.